Hey everybody, what's up? This is Nate McAllister from Evergreen Affiliate Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add that cool outline effect that you see in a lot of YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to show you how to do it in Canva. Typically, you'd have to do it in a tool like Photoshop or hire somebody to do it for you. This is a much easier way, and Canva is extremely user-friendly, and this new feature is really cool, and it's the only way that I do it now. So let's get into my computer, and I will show you exactly how to do this. It takes like 1 minute. But first, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit subscribe. And if you enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's say that we're doing a YouTube thumbnail. Create a new thumbnail here. And let's start with this demo one that they already have. You can do this with anything that you want, but let's just replace this lady here. Let's use a picture of myself right here. Okay, so Canva now has a really powerful background removal feature. So select the image, come to Edit Image, and then click on Background Remover. Okay, and now let's go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. Now we're going to select the image again, click on Edit Image one more time, and then click on Shadows. We can do a couple of things here, but for this to look the best, I think that Glow is the best option. So I click on Glow. As you see right away, it adds a black glow. It's kind of more of a shadow, but we can change that. So if we click over here on the settings, we can make them bigger. We can make them more transparent. So if we make it real high, it's going to be super blocky. We can change the blur. So that's also going to make it blockier. So it depends what you're trying to get. If you want that real strong line, like that. So this is the one that you see a lot if we just do white. But you can mess around with this and get it to look however you want. If you want more of a shadow effect, or if you want more of a line really outlining that and calling it forward, you can do that. Now, let's say that you want to actually keep the background. You just want to bring some foreground presence and add this outline to yourself or whatever the point of attention is. So you want to keep the background, but you just want to add this outline. We can do that relatively easily once we've created this background removed image here. So let me show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and just add a blank page here. And let's take that image that we had and let's just make it full screen. Okay. And now we're just going to copy this. I'm going to do a Command C, Command V, and then I'm just going to fill it in so that it covers that image. Okay. And now there you go. And if I want, again, I can come into shadows and I can edit that and I can change it just like we did before. If I want to make it bigger, if I want to make it more of a block. Okay. So that is how you do it in Canva. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments.